In this video, you will learn how to install the Lorex Connect X series 4K dual-lens turret camera and the XC 4K network video recorder. The XC 4K NVR is available in 8, 16, or 32 channels. These products are sold separately and are only compatible with the Lorex Connect app. What's in the box? An X3 dual-lens turret camera, mounting template, mounting base, 3 mounting anchors, 3 mounting screws, an RJ45 weather-resistant cable gland, in-out terminal block connector, and security key. As well as an XC 4K NVR, power adapter and cable, HDMI cable, 8 HDD screws, 2 alarm in-out terminal block connectors, 4 adhesive foam feed pads, 2 mounting brackets, 6 mounting bracket screws, network cable, and USB mouse. Connect your home router to the NVR using the included network cable. Connect a monitor to the NVR by using the HDMI cable and USB mouse. Next, connect the camera by inserting the cable into the PoE port. Plug in the power adapter, then switch the power to on. You will see a light turn on. Refer to the monitor and follow the on-screen steps to complete the Lorex setup wizard. For the 32-channel NVR system, connect the cameras to the PoE switch using Ethernet cables. Then connect the PoE switch to the same router or network as the NVR using a network cable. The PoE switch is sold separately. Download the Lorex Connect app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, create a new account or log in with your existing Lorex account. Ensure your phone is on the same network as router and NVR. Tap Add Device and select Recorder. Then follow the in-app steps to complete the setup. Enter the password for your NVR. Once you have added your recorder in the app and can see the added camera, you are ready to mount the camera in the desired location. Ensure the mounting surface can support the weight of the camera. Apply the mounting template to the desired installation surface. Drill the mounting holes at the marked locations on the mounting template. Insert the mounting anchors into the drilled holes. You can now remove the mounting template. Loosen the security screw on the mounting base using the included security key. Do not fully remove the screw. Once the security screw is loose, pull the camera and cover from the mounting base. Using the cable notch. If you are running the cable along the wall surface, pass the cable through the cable notch on the mounting base to keep it neatly routed and prevent pinching. Secure the mounting base to the installation surface using the mounting screws. Reattach the camera and cover to the mounting base. Position the dual-lens camera and adjust the viewing angle as needed. Fully tighten the security screw with the security key to lock the camera in place. For outdoor installation, attach the weather-resistant RJ45 cable gland connector over the Ethernet connection. Connect the camera cable to the Ethernet extension cable running from the NVR. Once you connect power to the camera, you are ready to control your camera from your NVR. You can also use the Lorex Connect app to set AI detections alerts and enable deterrence lighting. We hope you found this installation video helpful. To view the full user manual, visit your product support page or visit lorex.com/help.